This is Engineering Trends and Innovation, where we explore the cutting edge of engineering and technologies that are shaping our future. As always, I am your host, Alemami Conte, and I am going beyond borders to showcase some of the cool technologies, some of the cool innovations, some of the cool engineering design and systems that are creating impact in our society. Hey guys, I want to welcome you back to Engineering Trends and Innovation, where we explore the cutting edge of engineering and technologies that are shaping our future. So I am here with the BAE System, and I am here with Bill. He will actually walk us through some of the cool engineering and technologies that they're using to make sure that we go against the bad actors and when it comes to combat. So, Bill, I want to welcome you to my podcast. So, I want you to introduce yourself and then tell me a little bit about your cool for the technology.
Oh, would love to. Alme, thank you for coming and talk to me today with BAE Systems. Bill Sheehy, and I have the privilege of being the director of the AMPV, Armored Multi-Purpose Vehicle, and Bradley programs. We provide those combat vehicles to the United States Army, the world's most dominant military.
That's really good. So, actually, I want to know the goal and with the mission what you guys are trying to achieve to ensure that our world is so robust and we can go against the bad actors and make sure that our combat is right at the top.
Yeah, so that is our entire mission, right? Our entire mission is to provide capability to the United States military to ensure the men and women in uniform can go out, support and defend the Constitution of the United States, and come home safely. Come home in one piece to their families after they do the hard work for us to sit around and enjoy the fruits of the United States. And we do that a number of ways. The vehicle behind you right here, this gorgeous machine, this is an AMPV with a 30 millimeter cannon. So the innovation you talked about, the innovation is we're learning lessons as enemy threats evolve around the world. This vehicle evolves with it or faster than it. So the 30 millimeter has conformal radar inside it, and it is designed to both kill traditional ground targets and also engage the emerging UAS threats that are around the globe today. So the ability, the radars are part of the turret. The radar tracks and identifies the target, then programs the round in the breech as it fires. So that round, a 30 millimeter air burst round, knows how far it's going to its target and then detonates and kills. There's other innovations though. It's not just that ability. What you see here, this hardware, this is the Forterra autonomous hardware that allows the United States military, if it chooses, to operate this machine autonomously. So right now, it's autonomous mobility that Forterra is the lead for, working with us on that. We also have some other innovation on here with the 360 situational awareness technology that allows the crew inside, while buttoned up and protected by all the armor, to be able to see everything and have situational awareness of what's going on around it. So a lot of innovation in the military, a lot of innovation to allow our soldiers to do what they do and come home safe.
So I've heard you talking about a lot of autonomous systems and way how you guys built your vehicle to be able to accomplish some tasks that doesn't get humans
at risk.
Correct. So now that our world is moving towards the future of artificial intelligence, so what do you guys think about the next 5 years or now, but you guys can, what are your roadmap towards having us live with that?
Yeah, so AI is a huge part of BAE Systems' DNA.
Okay.
So we use AI in coordination with the United States Army to help reduce cognitive load on the soldiers. So we want the soldiers to focus on those essential tasks that they have to do while leaving the more mundane tasks to AI. So things like navigation, where the soldiers are working to scan targets, but allows the vehicle to go from point A to point B. Much like we do today in our society, we have self-driving cars and those things. So the intent for us is to use AI to help differentiate between targets. As it scans, it picks out different things, and it can tell the soldier what the nearest or most probable threat is and allow them to make those decisions to keep the soldier in the loop so that we're engaging foes and at the right prioritization. So AI is a major player in BAE Systems and with the United States Army as we progress forward.
Okay, so I actually have with the students, I have young engineers, I have with the scientists as my audience.
Yeah.
So I actually want to ask a question about are you guys creating a platform for let's say, young engineers that want to work on cool systems
Yeah.
like this, and what are maybe the roadmap or what are the various field. But because as of me, I am the mechanical engineer. And based upon this system, I will think about I want to work on a system like this,
Yeah.
like to get a blueprint of it. But you understand?
Yeah. So I would tell you first and foremost, probably one of the strongest assets of the United States as a country is its young minds. The engineers, the scientists that are out there who are curious and challenge us to move forward. That is a strength that we at BAE Systems value and try and bring in. We have a number of different programs and systems that allow that: internships, STEM programs, outreach through BAE. So we love it, and that does make a huge difference for what we do with the vehicle. Now, as far as getting blueprints and CAD drawings,
Definitely,
you're not going to get those, right? So the men and women who operate these vehicles rely on those things to be kept tight, locked away, so the enemy doesn't get them, right? So if you want to work on this vehicle, give me a call and we'll see if we can hire you, because I am looking for beautiful minds that can help us stay at the top of the food chain as far as militaries go.
That is really good. So, Bill, I want to appreciate your time and effort, and also I will make sure that young engineers, young scientists get this information and then shoot their application to work with BAE Systems and make sure that we combat with terrorism right across the world.
That's right. Thank you. I'll make one last thing.
6-7. Come on, guys. 6-7. Bill is here, so energetic, and I love
it. I love it. Thank you for getting our word out.
Thank you very much.